This cauliflower recipe with cheese transformed my picky eaters into vegetable lovers overnight. Watch how a few simple ingredients turn ordinary cauliflower into a dish your kids will actually fight over. To make this baked cauliflower with cheese, start by cutting a head of cauliflower into florets, as you can see me doing here. I'm just breaking the cauliflower apart into chunks like this. You don't need to be super precise, just get them about the same size so they will cook evenly. Then, fill a large pot with water, add a pinch of salt, 3 slices of lemon, and 2 sprigs of rosemary. Bring the water to a medium boil before adding the cauliflower pieces. Let the cauliflower boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want it to be slightly tender, but not mushy, as it will continue cooking in the oven. Heat up a pan on medium heat and melt 7 tablespoons of butter until completely melted. Then, add 3 tablespoons of flour and mix with a wooden spoon for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring so the flour and butter blend together without lumps. Next, add 1 cup of milk and mix on medium heat until it becomes thick like pudding or gravy, as you can see here. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg and give another good mix. Remove from the heat once everything is well combined. Now, using a slotted spoon with holes, remove the cauliflower from the water and place it on a plate to cool. In a separate bowl, mix 2 cups of grated cheese, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Stir everything together well. Next, take a baking dish and cover it with some parchment paper. Then place the cauliflower pieces on the pan, spreading them out evenly. Then, cover each cauliflower piece with the sauce you made from butter, flour, and milk. Use a spoon to carefully pour it over all the cauliflower pieces. Then, season with some mixed herbs. Now, using a spoon, put the cheese mixture on top of each cauliflower piece. Cover the entire top surface of each piece with a generous amount of cheese. Use all of the cheese mixture from the bowl to ensure every piece gets a good cheesy coating. Bake the cauliflower in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese melts and turns golden brown on top. To make the sauce, mix together 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 minced garlic cloves, 3 chopped cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stir everything together until well combined. This fresh sauce adds a nice tangy contrast to the rich, cheesy cauliflower. Serve the cauliflower with the yogurt sauce on the side for dipping. The cauliflower comes out of the oven tender with a nice golden cheese top. When you dip it in the cool yogurt sauce, you get a great mix of flavors. The rich cheese and the tangy yogurt work really well together. The fresh herbs in the sauce add a nice touch too. This baked cauliflower also makes a great side dish that goes with almost any meal. If you like this easy, cheesy cauliflower bake, then check out also how to make this delicious and healthy cauliflower fried rice recipe here. It is just as satisfying and family friendly. Check it out now.